Alright, so welcome back to OJT Barrage. Today we actually already introduced our another project, which is the Forester. So just to reiterate what we're doing, we got two Foresters putting into one. It's going to be a little STI build, but today we're putting it back together, at least the interior for the most part, until we start pulling the motor on the second one. So we've got everything laid out, all the parts. Hopefully, basically like a skeleton layout, and then rod clips from this one.
Yeah. So anything we need from anything that we don't have, that car has it. So we're gonna rob Peter to pay Paul. So that's what we're gonna do. Peter and Paul. Yep, Peter and Paul.
This got tab in the back too already.
What's that? Here we go. Alright, push it. Alright, go to front. We need what? Hold on, let's see if I can figure out a way to get this through or something. Oh, I messed up. It's cool though, I can fix it. Hold on for a second, quick second.
Yep, mine's just held on by the rearview mirror right now.
Okay. I'm gonna use shake this thing again. Empty shakes since I messed it up.
Got the blicky on it. Big blicky. So you gotta hold the drill like this because it's a blicky. You gotta walk around with the blicky.
What?
It's a blicky.
The blicky?
Yeah.
What's a blicky?
Big
Oh,
blicky.
that's what I just said.
You don't know what a blicky is?
No.
No.
YouTube, calm it down if you know what a blicky is. Especially coming on like this, man.
See, I don't like talking to you because then I feel old.
Blickies are done.
And now I gotta do research.
Hold a gun like this on like social media and they be like, LA.
Nah, I see that white.
Watch your profanity.
My arms are tired already. Okay. Push that part. Okay. Something ain't right here. Alright, yeah, it's better. Okay, hold on. Pop these in. It's one. But I gotta, hold on, there's just something missing here for this light. There is, got it, sweet. All right, that's in. Let's see. Oop, oop. Ow. Is that the battery? Okay. You know what this feels like? That movie, I'm gonna get you, sucker.
Nope.
You never seen that?
Nope.
Oh hell no.
Dude, that was in a
He
lot.
never seen. Well, that's a lot of you guys are probably young too, but Javon never seen the movie I'm gonna get you, sucker.
I'm gonna get you.
That's what I said. I'm gonna get you.
You're making your own stuff.
But in the movie, they do a part when it stripped down the car for like a record time. But like we're doing it in reverse.
I want this shit clean. It's a new record.
I'm not saying what you're doing. I don't know what the heck y'all doing. Y'all just snapping pieces on and
Putting the roof liner on first.
Jimmy Rick and stuff. That's not a roof liner, that's a handle.
Yeah, but this handle keeps the roof liner on.
Oh, so everybody know that.
Where'd I put my screwdriver at?
Everybody know it.
Everybody knows it. I'm trying not to sit on one of these
That's for me.
screws for the seat. I hurt myself. But yeah, but most cars in the Subaru Forester and stuff that you gotta use these. Well, these are part of what keeps it on.
And these are...
Jelly handrail. I'm not even sure why you use these because nobody uses these.
Well, maybe older people need them to get out the car and they hold clothes and... Pretty sure that's not their purpose to hold clothes, but...
I'm like, whoever uses these? This hurt my leg. I need my bucket seats.
Haha! Is that where that came from?
Literally.
I don't know, maybe. Possibly, very possibly. Bucketeer. That's what Logan calls
Is
me,
it because
bucketeer.
they're shaped like a bucket?
Bucket seats. Coming in clutch. So now this is one of our things where one seatbelt is short. So I'm taking the seatbelt off of this one to put on the other one. And I need to go figure out how to fix the other seatbelt that looks like that one. Because it is kicking my butt right now. And I'm like, I don't get how this is supposed to go. So this is just a quick shot I was taking out. Oh, you also see the inside of this one. It's still got a lot of stuff that we can steal. I'm probably gonna take this whole rear hatch out of this one and put it over there in that one. Because I think the other one has a little bit of rust on it. So then this one doesn't. So we can take off of that one. And I do like the console on this one. I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna put in another radio in that one anyway. So I don't know if that really matters. But this car's in the interior is better, in a better state than that one. So probably take I don't know about taking carpet or anything like that out of this one.
Yeah, carpets look fairly the same.
Yeah.
That one on that side got that weird shit. I mean,
Yeah.
stuff.
Probably because it's automatic, you know.
Yeah.
All right. Here.
I'm about to say, do you want to do this then? I'll let you do this one.
Yeah, that's fine. I just gotta put this part in here and then click it. Could do it right. Oh, I missed it.
Where's that wire coming from, Javon? The piano? Front piano?
Got it.
I think that's a B pillar or A pillar. I think it's the A pillar. Passenger side A pillar.
That was quick. That was quick thing. Oh, we don't have any of those baby things in here. We can take it from the other one and then do it later. The little
car seat thing?
yeah. We don't have to do it, but you never know. But not
It's in the
essential
back.
for us.
It's not like immediate. I mean,
Yeah.
it's in the back, so it's easy to just pop this down and get to him if anything.
All right. So what's the other piece that you were saying that had to get popped in?
Oh, well, first to get turn
What's up?
and wrench that. Well, no, don't wrench that in there.
Wrench
You
this?
have to take that off.
What? Take it off?
Yep.
Okay.
We do it by hand.
Okay.
I only
Oh.
put it in regularly.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like, it's not turning.
Click that all in, and then that goes on the outside of that.
So you said front undercover, front
Oh, that needs a screw. Did yours get a screw? No.
That's a screw, but it'll go on without it. I gotta get a flat head for this trim.
Hold on, was this one? I didn't look to see. Shoot, factor in. Was this one? Just taps in here too. Yep.
What the holy hell am I looking at?
Hold on. Oh, yep, I got it right here.
think I got some screws somewhere around here for it.
Yeah,
You good?
Yep.
Something. Oh, that's right. We need a screw or something for that one. See what the other one has on it.
Put your best foot forward.
That's right.
This dude just popped it. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's the best.
All right, so we got the headliner on. The sides done. We're not going to do the middle console just yet until we put the engine in, because I don't see the point of doing that, because that'll give us more room to work with when we putting all the transmission and everything back in. We're not going to do that just yet.
Yeah, probably interfere with
Yeah.
the shifter.
Yeah, we didn't change out the door panels yet with the donor one from this one, because those door panels over there are a little bit nicer, but that's not like something we need to do right now. But we got the right side all done. We just got to figure out that part of it. We see the cords coming down right there. We're not sure where that came from or where it goes to, so we got to do some digging on the internet and see what goes from there. And then the light up at the top there, we have to butt connect those back together, and that'll be good to go. That's not an emergency either. Well, none of this is emergency, but nothing that's gonna hold up the project. Okay, so
Got him.
right, you heard that, right? So we done for today. We got most of the plastics in for the interior. This dude is over here catching
on.
bugs.
I
He's stuck in here.
Sorry, I can't zoom in on your bug
That's alright.
massacre.
So all the interior, well, not all the interior, except for seats. We're not putting the seat until like the rain. So we're gonna ride with these bucket seats for a while. So so we're gonna ride with that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell so you can be alerted every Friday when we post.
Yep. So we need subscribers, and we also need, you guys to hit the like button, because the like button also helps the algorithm and YouTube, so our videos pop up. So thank you. Until next time. See you later.
I'm gonna zap you with this thing. Zap your dreads off.
I was like, what the hell just happened?
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post, the same now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell